Well, things are finally coming together. We found us a property. It's 2.16 acres. It's in the city of St. Helens. We got a great deal on it because there's no available city sewer, and the ground won't pass for a regular like septic drain field type thing. We got the portion at the top, which is almost an acre, and then we've got the portion at the bottom, which is a full acre, and we own the road. We're going to put our house on that full acre side and potentially do some things with the rest. You see the green line here is where we're bringing in the sewer down the main road 500 feet. Additionally, I'm going to add an RV driveway about 130 feet and a fire truck turnaround, which is another 70 feet long. And once those are installed, the construction vehicles will be able to get up there and turn around. This is the drawing showing the one house on lot number 1 that we're going to install, and lots 2, 3, and 4, as you can see, would be future lots, and you can see all the housings around the side. I colored in my grass, and this is where it sits in the middle of the neighborhood, which is a condensed city area. This is the drawings from Columbia Engineering. They charged me about $20,000 to draw it up before I could submit it to the city and get it approved, and before my bank would even entertain the idea of financing the entire project. But eventually the project was approved by the city. The engineers had it drawn up. My lender agreed to finance the home property purchase and the sewer extension, which was amazing. So Academy Mortgage, props to you guys. They had to start the sewer off going underneath an existing culvert that crosses the road, and the city or county plans to lower that culvert within the next 2 years, so we had to make sure that our sewer pipe was low enough that it wouldn't interfere. This I added to the infrastructure of the city of St. Helens because I obviously don't own this sewer pipe that was installed in the road. It wasn't cheap. It was with engineering and with BlackRock Underground doing the work. It still costed me $165,000 on my home project. But in the long scheme of things, you can see that we'll get our house. Our property will be dividable. We're going to have a 4-bedroom home with a 3-car garage, and we'll have 2.16 acres in town, which is unheard of. So that'll be great, and lots of room for the kids to grow up. And once the house is built, we can look back on this and just be glad that it was over with. It's been quite a project. It's been several months in the making so far. We started in January, and here it is in January again. So it's been a year to get this far, with closing on the property, bringing in the sewer, picking the house, and we've already got the RV and the fire truck turnaround installed on the property. So here is the last leg of the sewer being installed up onto the property from Columbia Boulevard. It goes about 15 feet. Where that 2x4 is, you'll see that is the end of the sewer pipe, and from there I'll need to extend it again.